Yo, what's up? Welcome to another episode of my vlogs that I don't do as much. So it's Friday. I want to do a video today. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. It's unplanned. Just take a day of whatever. But let's get moving. So I like to start my day with protein shake for breakfast. You already know. It's like vegan protein. Tastes terrible. You gotta get the little mixer up there. This bad boy. I just need some water. Also, yeah, there's this app you guys can use called MyFitnessPal, where you can literally track what you eat. It's very simple. I can actually scan the barcodes. Scans it. Meal logged in, tells you calories, carbs, fat, protein, etc. And then bang. Say what's up to YouTube, yeah?
What?
So we'll grab lunch like at 3:30.
Pick it with your menu. Tell me what you want. And if you want to stop and grab it, then grab it. I'll give you time.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright, we'll have it. Bye.
See you later. Alrighty, so we have some time to spare because we're not getting lunch till later, like a couple hours. So that gives me time. I've actually had to go to the DMV for some time. I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so yeah, we're going to the DMV. I'm going to the DMV because a little while ago I noticed my car getting a lot louder than normal, and I was like, alright, something's up. Well, I went under the car and I saw my muffler cracked off on one of the pipes, so the airflow is ridiculous, and it just like made it like 10 times louder. It's not just because it's broken. I'm trying to pass. I'm gonna see if they let me pass inspection, because if not, I'm gonna have to buy a new muffler. And quite honestly, I love the way it sounds, so like I'm not even mad. Damn, it was like just yesterday I came here to take my road test, which was actually like 5 years ago. Yes! I really didn't think I was gonna pass. I really thought he was gonna fucking fail. I'm actually planning to go take a road trip to Canada and again drive a car if it's not legal to drive. Makes sense? So yes. Yeah, look what I found here. What to do? Damn, bro. That's bad. Good thing I brought another one. That concludes my session to the gym session. So plot twist, we're getting sushi with my other sister and brother.
Who's plot twist?
Plot twist.
Oh, plot twist.
Yeah, Rosemary looks like a Amish person stayed out in the sun too long.
Very good food.
Are you going to attempt to eat this?
So sushi was a success. Picked up the kids. But not my kids, they're my sister's kids. I just want to check, hopefully, see if my package came today. Oh, it's here. So I got like this, it's like a Fitbit.
My uncle's unboxing this. Whoa, paper bags. And
Oh, it's the Holy Grail.
woo!
So this is the Me Too. I don't know, it's M-I.
I don't know what the heck he's doing, but let's see his reaction.
Alright.
Let's see.
Nothing.
Oh,
Oh!
I don't know what it's
I
called.
don't know how this works.
Me too.
So I guess it's like, you gotta put it in here. We're gonna get to that. Alright, so what's next? We are going to get lunch again with my other sister, so I'm eating twice. So yeah, I got the food. So I just got to my sister's house. This is my other sister, Annette. Say hi, Annette.
Hi.
We're going to the park to eat this scrumptious Cuban food.
Oh, it's not German.
It's Cuban food, right?
Yeah, Cuban food. Good stuff.
Very good stuff. Oh my god. So we're at the park. Say hi, kids.
Ben, you want to show him how to ride a bike?
My sister wants me to teach my nephew how to ride a bike. Nah, I think he's got it. I'm good. I'm just kidding. Now pedal. No. Forward.
We're hoping he can master that. And it looks like he's kind of getting it. Colton, thank you for lending us your bike.
So, suddenly got put on dad duty. Say hi, buddy.
Hi.
These are my nephews.
Yeah.
Hey, Colton. Colton, what kind of bird poops a lot?
Shepherd and
What? Don't say that word.
okay. I'm the button.
So, my second lunch. If I make them game. It's a beautiful day, about 80 degrees. Real quick, look at my cute ass niece. Smack confused. I like never want to move from this spot. Look at this.
It clears up. We'll see the things and they give you a year. Whatever.
Hey, Colton. Colton, what kind of bird poops a lot?
Shepherd and
What?